Right. Over there is a guy that accosted a great big group of gays and starts trying to make us bully with garbs. He told me to go into the right, so first I thought I'd run into a car because that sounded sensible. Now I've decided to climb up a lamppost because it seems a bit closer and a bit more safe. I don't know, you know, because you can get arrested for doing that. So running into the light is a very good idea.
That didn't really sound very healthy.
What?
That really didn't sound very healthy.
No. There's a security guy over there staring at me. What? What?
So yeah, that was generally
but he's your true daddy, he loves you, everlasting love. God is love, alright? And he loves you. Well, no, he isn't, he loves you very much, okay? He loves you. Right, come on, let's leave it. You have value, your value is okay?
You going home to your worship Jesus?
next time.
Love and
I'm going home again, we're trying to
God bless you, God bless you, okay?
Yeah. See you soon.
I love you lot.
Bye. See you later.
What's your name? What's your name? James.
James.